guys. I don't know if you can hear me well, but we are at Cais do Sodré. We are going to visit Mercado da Ribeira, and this is the station behind me. There is the market, and we are going to do some walking around Lisbon downtown and Bairro Alto. And at the end of the day, we will show you a 360 panoramic viewpoint. So as you can see, we are now inside the market. I'm just stumbling in some potatoes. But yeah, not many people here today. So for now I think we'll go outside and find some place to eat. So guys, this coffee over here, Cacau da Ribeira, you can come here after a long night of drinking here in Lisbon. This place opens at 5-6 a.m. I think, and that was a spot where I'd come after my university parties to grab some snacks. You should come here. So the lady has been explaining to my girlfriend that you only need to water the cactus like one time each month, and you just water it superficially, and the cactus will suck the water in and keep it up like for 1 month, and then you gotta water it again. But I think that's it. She's just paying the cactus and we are going to do our walk. So now we are going to the side streets of Cais do Sodré, and I'll be showing you the Pink Street right down there. Now I'm going to show you Lisbon Pink Street. I'm going to show you the market. So maybe I'll be buying some hot sauce for my mother-in-law.
Olá, bom dia, tudo bem? Bom dia.
É assim, é para uma pessoa que gosta bastante picante, portanto eu não sei se levo o clássico, se este aqui será mais picante, se não.
Ele é bastante intenso.
Ok.
Ele não está nada de outro mundo em que as pessoas vão chorar e as mulheres grávidas vão dar à luz, não é nada disso. Ele está bastante equilibrado, mas fica bastante na boca.
De qualquer maneira, tem site também para podermos adquirir depois. Ok. E fazem as encomendas através do Instagram? Ok. Então se calhar acho que vou levar um clássico para experimentar. O meu se calhar seria o suave, mas acho que para a pessoa que este
É o clássico.
este é o correto. Porque para mim é um bocado forte demais.
Já é forte, pronto. Então se
Mas eu também não estou a iniciar nos picantes.
Não, então deixa-me dar aqui um bocadinho.
De qualquer maneira, apesar de ser picante, mais para mim o sabor é
É
muito
bastante
bom.
saboroso. É.
Muito obrigado.
Tem aqui.
Muito obrigado. Até à próxima. Bom trabalho.
Bom trabalho.
So now we are going up Rua do Alecrim until Largo de Camões. We are going there to show you a bit of Bairrol and more of some side streets. So now we are arriving Largo de Camões. This kiosk over here behind me is a place where I've stopped a lot of times when I've come to drink with my university colleagues. Every time I come here, I would pay a stop here at this kiosk to drink a coffee and some muscatel before going to the party to warm up. Oh, book fair. Maybe my girlfriend wants to go. Right? Yeah. As I suspected. So yeah, we found this like signal Blake stall, and I've asked for one of Rick and Morty, similar to that one, but with their silhouettes. Yeah, that guy is painting those things over there. I just bought a painting from Rick and Morty. Yeah, this is one of the side streets here at Chiado area. So not a lot of people around here. And we are going to the restaurant now. Maybe to eat some curry. Let's see if we can find the restaurant. Maybe we don't have a spot here. Let's see. So yeah, look, we found a table. Not for now, but like in 15 minutes we can go in. So we already finished our lunch, and now I'm going to show you a viewpoint in Moreira Shopping. It's free until 30th of June, and I will show you another viewpoint before going to Amoreiras. We are at Prince Real area, and I'm going to show you Prince Real viewpoint. So keep with me. Look at this. We are almost arriving at the viewpoint. A bit tired of all this hiking. The viewpoint is just on the top of the hill, and we still didn't stop going up. So we are already inside the shopping. Now we are heading to the viewpoint. Maybe the tallest viewpoint in Lisbon, I think. We couldn't check for another one that was taller as this, so you should come here. And now I'm gonna sign out, and we see you on another vlog. Bye!